Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Detananda Kusdayanti with ID student 33210049. So today I make presentations mid test projects applied linguistics. The topic is the development of applied linguistics. Table of content. Number 1, definitions. What is applied linguistics? Number 2, the development. History of applied linguistics. Definitions. What is applied linguistics? Applied linguistics is a field that uses linguistic theories, knowledge, and methods to address language-related problems and challenges in the real world. By combining theoretical and practical approaches, the field aims to solve communications problems and improve language education policy and practice. Applied linguistics is an independent and multidisciplinary field that draws on theories from various related fields to address real-world language-related problems. It generates its own theories to find solutions to such problems with practical concern, guiding the questions to address. The field deals with problems faced by various groups, including learners, teachers, academics, lawyers, translators, examiners, and service providers, and etc. The second is the development. So this is the history of applied linguistics. Applied linguistics has rich history that dates back to the mid-20th century. The term applied linguistics originated in language teaching programs in the United States during and after World War II. The term refers to the applications of linguistic principles to improve language teachings, learning, planning, handling language defects, and intergroup communications, as well as lexicography and translations. The concept of largely influenced by Leonard Bloomfield's Guide to Practical Foreign Language Learning, 1942. It is itself influenced by direct method advocates in Europe, notably Henry Sweet. Henry Sweet. So in the United States, an important event took place in 1948. Charles C. Price, supported by Kenneth L. Peck and W. Freeman Waddell, organized a conference at the University of Michigan to share information about the Price English Language Institute, which was founded in 1941 and conference result in a monthly journal focusing on applied linguistics. So the title is Language Learning. In the UK, the School of Applied Linguistics was founded by G.C. Catford at the University of Edinburgh in 1946. 1956, and a Center of Applied Linguistics was established in Washington, D.C. under Charles Ferguson in 1958. This marked the beginning of similar institutions around the world. In 1964, national associations of applied linguistics came together to form the Associations International the Linguistics Applied. Sorry for the pronunciations if it's wrong, which organized a 4-year international congress with published proceedings. The Fish and Elder were commenting on a symposium held at the American Association of Applied Linguistics in the St. Louis in 2001, where the history of applied linguistics was discussed in 4 different countries. Angelis, who discussed the United States, proposed a fourfold division of the history since in 1920s, which is summarized as follows. Next. Number 1, applied linguistics in North America does have identifiable roots in linguistics. Number two, while North American applied linguistics has evolved over time in its orientations and scope, so has North American linguistics. Number three, a significant amount of work directed to real-world issues involving language can be attributed to leading North American linguistics. Number four, the last much of what can now be seen as groundbreaking applied linguistics type activity was carried out prior to the formal appearance of applied linguistics. So the focus of linguistics in language activity has evolved over time with shift towards a focus on applications. Australians applied linguistics has focused on developing teaching materials and writing a system for Aboriginal language with strong influence from continental Europe and the United States. The British Association of Applied Linguistics was founded in 1967 and advised and advance education and promote interdisciplinary collaborations in language use, acquisitions, and teaching. The British traditions aim to establish and distinctive applied linguistics. In the 1960s and 1970s, applied linguistics mainly focused on language teaching. However, over the past 3 decades, the field has expanded its scope to deal with language-related issues in a real-world context. Applied linguistics has experienced significant growth with the establishment of academic associations, departments, journals, and international associations. The difference between applied linguistics and applied linguistics is found in the approach. Applied linguistics assumes that linguistic solutions can reformulate problems, whereas applied linguistics seek to reconcile different representations of reality without rolling out other perspectives. So this is the expert such Blomfield 1933 and Robbins believed that if a teacher understands linguistics as a scientific method of language presentation, their job will become easier. David and Elder argue that applied linguistics look outside the language to explain and solve social problems, whereas applied linguistics focuses inside, using language data to develop linguistic knowledge about the language itself. In contrast, applied linguistics studies language problems in the real world with the aim of improving them. The development of applied linguistics in the period from 19th to the beginning of 2000s was marked by significant growth and expansions of the field. This period saw the establishment of new research areas, the emergence of new theories, and the application of linguistics to a broader range of contexts. Here are some key developments during this period. The 19th and early 2000s saw a surge in language policy and planning, driven by globalization and the growing importance of language in international communication. This prompted the development of new research areas such as language policy, language planning, and language rights. Lexicography, the study of dictionary, also flourished with the advent of electronic dictionaries and online research. Clinical linguistics and forensic linguistics rose to prominence, focusing on the diagnosis and treatment of language disorders and applying linguistic analysis to legal cases. Research on second language acquisitions and bilingualism continues to grow with focus on the cognitive and social factors that influence language learning. Discourse analysis is becoming increasingly important, especially in areas such as education, law, and business. Interdisciplinary, interdisciplinary collaboration in applied linguistics is increasing, integrating insights from fields such as psychology, sociology, anthropology, and education. New theory and models are emerging, such as communicative competence and language as social construct, which significantly impact language teaching, assessment, and policy. These developments have had a major impact on the field of applied linguistics. So that's the last of my explanations. Thank you for hearing me. This is my reference I use. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.